Hello everyone, and welcome back to Schabenverse. Pi Network has introduced a completely different way for new projects to launch their tokens. Instead of simply raising funds and keeping the Pi collected from users, Pi Launchpad uses a system designed to strengthen the entire Pi ecosystem. The first project testing this model is Slice on the Pi Testnet. So, what is the Slice liquidity pool? Why is everyone talking about it? And how could this model change the future of Pi Network? What is Pi Launchpad? Pi Launchpad is a platform where developers can launch new ecosystem tokens for their applications. These tokens are not created just for speculation. They are meant to have real utility inside the app. For example, users may need the token to unlock premium features, pay for digital products or services, receive rewards, vote on community decisions, participate in governance. The goal is to create useful applications where tokens have real demand instead of existing only for trading. This is a major step toward building a stronger Pi ecosystem with real-world use cases. What's different about Pi Launchpad? Most crypto launchpads work in a very simple way. Users buy a new token and the project team receives the money. After the launch, the project decides how to use those funds. Pi Launchpad introduces a different model. Instead of sending all the collected Pi directly to the project, the Pi is placed into a liquidity pool together with the new ecosystem token. This creates liquidity from the very beginning. That means people can buy and sell the token more easily without depending entirely on individual buyers and sellers. This approach is designed to improve market stability and reduce trading friction. Understanding the Slice liquidity pool. The first test of this model is the Slice token. During the testnet launch, a liquidity pool was created containing Slice tokens. Test Pi. Whenever someone wants to exchange Test Pi for Slice or vice versa, the pool can process the swap automatically. Instead of waiting for another trader to accept the trade, users can swap directly with the liquidity pool. This makes trading faster and more efficient. It also helps keep the market active even when there are fewer buyers or sellers available. The liquidity pool is powered by something called an automated market maker, or AMM. Don't worry, it sounds more complicated than it really is. An AMM is simply a mathematical system. It constantly checks how many Slice tokens and how much Test Pi are inside the pool. As users buy or sell tokens, the balance changes. The algorithm automatically adjusts the exchange rate based on the available supply of both assets. This means prices are determined by the pool itself instead of a traditional order book alone. It's a technology already used by many decentralized exchanges. And now, Pi Network is testing a similar concept inside its own ecosystem. If this model works successfully, it could become one of the biggest improvements in the Pi ecosystem. Projects launching on Pi Network could gain better liquidity from day one, easier token trading, stronger user participation, more useful applications, a healthier ecosystem overall. Instead of focusing only on fundraising, projects are encouraged to build products that people actually use. That's a much more sustainable approach for long-term growth. However, it's important to remember that the current SLICE launch is happening on the Pi testnet. Everything is still being tested before similar features may eventually reach the mainnet. So, what do you think? Could the Pi Launchpad become one of the biggest innovations in the Pi ecosystem? Do you believe the Slice liquidity pool model will make Pi projects stronger in the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Schabenverse for the latest Pi Network, Bitcoin, crypto, and technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.